Okay guys, we're back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be doing something a little special. We're going to be doing some ice fishing jigs, because we're just about getting ice now in northern New York here. So I figured why not be getting ready for the season, and we'll do some ice fishing jigs to start it off and kickstart the season. So I'll get right into it and I'll show you guys what I come up with afterwards. I'm going to try to replicate a clown type paint job. So let's get right into it, and we'll start with a base white coat. Ah, wow. Okay, so now we're going to heat set these and then we'll move on to the accent colors. Okay, so we got a pressure turn way down, and then I'm going to add some of this fluorescent hot pink, and we're going to do the edges and also the pink dots. So we'll do the nose and the edge right here. Okay, moving on to the next ones. And then there is a very small, so I'll turn my pressure down even more. And there's a very small dot in the back right here of pink, so I'll do that while I have this in the chamber. Okay, so there's the pink dot, and we'll clean out our brush, and then we'll move on to the yellow. Okay, so now we're going to do the spot of yellow. I got some of this fluorescent yellow in the chamber already. Same pressure, and then I'm just going to come. So the classic clown pattern goes yellow, blue, pink for the dots. So I'm just going to do the yellow dot up front first, and I'll do the blue in the middle. Okay, now we'll rinse out our brush again, and then we'll do the blue. Okay, so we'll get some of this fluorescent blue loaded up into the chamber, just a little bit. Make sure it's spraying good through there. Okay, and now we're just going to do the blue dots in between the two other dots. Okay, so these lures are just about done. I just gotta put my name on them and put the eyes on them, and then they'll be ready for the clear coat. So I'm gonna go with these red eyes here. I think it'd look really good in contrast with the white, so that's what I'm gonna do. Put some super glue on them. Okay, and then we'll do the other ones. These ones have a little bit smaller eyes, but I'm still gonna stick with the red. Alright, and there's what they look like when I have the eyes on them. And I'm just gonna put my name right here underneath on the belly. So yeah, that's it for the clown bait. I think they should make good jigging wraps through the ice. Clown bait usually works pretty well, and it's a super easy design to spray. I mean, it literally doesn't take very much. It takes 4 different colors if you include the white base coat, and it's pretty quick and easy to do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and feel free to try it out for yourself. If you liked the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll make sure to pump out some more videos for you guys, and let me know what you want to see in the future. So until next time, guys, see you.